Hello everyone, now I am here with my next video of escape sequence. Why we are using escape sequence in Java? Firstly, I want to tell you and what do you mean by escape sequence. Actually, some non-graphical characters are used to command a cursor because we want to decorate our output while printing. An escape sequence is a series of characters that represent special characters to display an attractive output. An escape sequence begins with backslash, which indicates or which commands a cursor to treat that character in a special way. And now, why we need escape sequence? First of all, question arises because already in Java, each and every character contains some commands. For example, if I'm taking double quotes, the double quote shows us it is in the form of string, and double quotes is used in system.out.println also to display a particular output. But if we want to display double quotes in output, then it creates a difficult task because for compiler, starting double quotes till ending double quotes, the command to display whatever present inside double quotes you have to display in terminal window. But now if I want to display hello everyone, but I want everyone should be present inside double quotes, it provides error if you are trying to do that. Why? Because compiler thinks that first double quotes till end double quotes, the second one is a command to display hello, and after hello it should be terminated with function bracket. That's why it provides us error that bracket expected. But actually what we want everyone should be present inside double quotes. If we want to command a cursor to display double quotes, then we have to use escape sequence. Now I think you are getting what I want to tell you. Now we have list of escape sequences. First one is tab. It prints 8 spaces in a terminal window. Second one is backspace. You know what is role of backspace? To shift one character back. Backslash n plays a role, shift the cursor to next line. And we are having carriage written. Carriage written is a role where carriage is moved back to the beginning of the line. It is basically used when we are using printer. So it is not used in presently our programming. In our programming, you are not supposed to remember it because we are not going to use it. And then we have form feed. The same role, it is attached with the printer. Form feed forces the printer to eject the current page and to continue printing at the top of another one. It is in our printer format. That's why you are not supposed to use it in our programming. What you have to remember, the first 3 and the last 3. If you want to display single quotes, you can follow the same technique, backslash single quotes. If you want to display double quotes, then you have to write backslash double quotes. If you want to display backslash, then you have to write double backslash, because the role of a backslash is that it shows that character is escape sequence and you want backslash to be displayed, then again we have to put one more backslash, because first of all backslash and the preference of backslash and then the second one is going to be visible in a terminal window. First one ends role of backslash. Then I want to provide you few examples so that you can understand deeply. Few I am taking right now. Example of backslash T, that is horizontal tab spacing, also known as tab spacing, and it provides us 8 space horizontally between the contents where we are placing it. And for example, if I am taking heading, I want to display heading, then between the headings we want spaces. If you directly want to put space, it's okay. If you directly want to play 8 spaces, you can use backslash T. In my example, I am taking 2 backslash T so that I am getting 16 spaces so that it can visible it correctly. See, system.out.println in double quotes I am writing student name backslash T marks. Backslash T always present inside either in double quotes or in single quotes. But when you are using it inside system.out.println, please use it with double quotes, because everything present inside double quotes system.out.println gets commands to display it. That's why, see, the output what we are getting, in all of them contain 16 spaces together. If you are using backslash T, it approximately arrange all 3 things together. And one more thing I want to tell you, you can use it in different way also. See, in last what I had written, system.out.println student name in double quotes, then I am using concatenation operator, means plus sign, then single quotes, inside single quotes I had placed backslash T. I want to tell you, it is also a way of writing. You are not getting any error if you are writing in this way also. Adding backslash T as a character with a string, because whole combinations you are getting in the form of string. When you are getting in the form of string, the system.out.println going to be printed. And then we have backslash n, shows us next line, and used to shift cursor from one line to another. Basically, it stops there and shift to next line. For example, I am taking student name space. I had already provided 3 spaces over there. Student name 3 spaces, then mark. Whatever marks they are getting, and then I want the heading should be displayed first. Then I want to change the line, but here I am not using println because I want to show you the role of backslash n. Backslash n is same as println, used to show next line, to shift character to the next line. That's why I'm using backslash n, and then I'm using some dash to decorate my output, and then backslash n again, and then I'm writing Aman Dixit 3 spaces 480 as marks. See, everywhere 3 spaces should be there. And backslash T, if I'm using, it provides approximately a correct output, but now I'm not using backslash T. That's why little tilt 480 is present. It's not in a correct way. If I'm using backslash T, 480 also arranged in the line where marks is present. See, backslash n change line by placing cursor or by commanding a cursor to next line. Then we have double backslash. If we want to display backslash in our terminal window, what we have to do? We have to place double backslash. See, in program what I had written, enjoy syllabus of ICSE, I want syllabus with backslash, that's why I'm using double backslash. If I'm writing 4 backslash, then you are getting 2 backslash as output. And then if you want double quotes, then you have to write backslash double quotes. You are getting output syllabus is present in double quotes because I'm writing backslash double quotes. The same way, if I'm writing with single quotes, it accepts single quotes also. Basically, if you are writing directly single quotes, you are not getting error, but I always prefer to write it correctly by using escape sequence backslash single quotes. You are getting same output if you are writing in both the ways. And thank you for watching. If you are getting it, press like. If you are not getting it, please inform me what you are not getting it. And if you have any issues, contact me. And thank you for watching.